Hey everybody, this is Jeff with the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. I want to open up this video to thank everyone for being patient with me. I've been dealing with some things and pushing through and some changes, which is awesome. Things are great. But today's video, I want to talk about the 5 reasons why PIA private internet access is the number one VPN that no one's talking about. So, what is the reason why you need a VPN? Okay, everyone who's streaming here's a VPN, virtual private network. It's very simple. If you want to control your streaming the best you can, having a VPN, if you're streaming on a consistent basis, is not only smart, but it is a necessity. Now, it's going to be hard for consumers to really feel out or know where to search or go looking for this type of which one is better. Is IPVanish better than Surfshark? I mean, because Surfshark is sold by, Troy Point, so everyone buys Surfshark because of his influence. What makes PIA good for you? And I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think private internet access is the number one VPN because I did use Proton, but I've recently went back to private internet access. Number one, the first reason is rock solid privacy with a proven no logs policy. What does that simply mean? That means this VPN is one of the only court verified no policies. Everyone says they don't log your information. Some of them might be fibbing. But when you go to the PIA website, it will show you that they're the only one that has no logs. As I go into the panel here, if I go down into the back end, you will see this audit was reviewed 100% no logs policy. They've invited independent auditors um, to review their, and you can download it now and read it for yourself. The free report that shows that they are one of the ones that don't log your information. That means they're privacy driven. Number two, the second reason is massive global service or server networks for reliable streaming. They have thousands and thousands and thousands of servers, which gives you the best speed. So if you really understand, because everyone says they have servers everywhere, and I believe that. So just like everyone else, private internet access has these servers because they really are bent on speed, and so you're going to be streaming the best you can. So I think that's really good. The third reason why private internet access is one of the best ones out there is because of app control. And what that means is when you log in, let me see if I can find it here. When you log into your back panel here, you can see where you can get smart DNS, or you can get Identity Guard if you needed to, or the downloads or dedicated IP. When you're able to do this on your device, you can select the device or select the application on your device to choose which one gets VPN. So the audio control of your device, audio control app, doesn't need to have VPN. But the player, like my TV online, like on a Formula Box, you can set up the VPN so that app does open with the VPN. So you can choose which application gets the VPN on your box and which one doesn't. And I think that's cool. Now, number four, the fourth reason why this really works so well is because it has a built-in ad tracker and malware. It gets rid of the built-in ad tracker. So some of the features are no logs, antivirus, VPN router, but this has something called PIA Mace, which I'll show you once we get on the device, where you can turn on this device and it will block all trackers, all different malware because you're streaming over the internet and you want to be safe. So having that is a plus. Okay. Now, the fifth and final reason why this is going to work really well is because the fifth and final reason is right in front of us. And I think a lot of people forget how simple it is to do. So let me get the fifth and final reason for you. The fifth and final reason is this: customizable encryption for faster streaming. What does that mean? PIA lets you choose the lighter encryption for speed and for heavier encryption for other streaming. Why does this matter? Because streamers want speed first, but they still need protection. So you need to have the speed. PIA has some really top speeds, but you want to always have protection as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this part of the video, and I'm hoping that I have a little bit so I can put it on one of my devices and show you what it looks like. So let's do that now. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. I've installed private internet access on this Yoka TV IPX3 device, which is faster than a Formula Z11 and Z12, by the way. I'm going to log into the app. I've already set up everything. So I'm going to click on it to log in. Sorry. And it's going to say okay. And we're going to go to monitor. We're going to accept. And here you are. So the first thing you're going to see is a very easy interface. Okay. You can go to the right and choose by location and start favoriting your location. But I want to go to settings a little bit and brag. So I'm going to go to settings. So, and you're going to see the account, but if you go to general settings, you can hit the general where you want to launch it at system launch and all that. I wouldn't recommend that, and I can tell you why later on. I like making sure my internet connects to my box first, my device, then I launch, and that way I get a good solid connection. If I go to protocols here, you're going to see you got small packets and a handshake, which is very easy to understand. And then you got the networks here. So you can definitely choose a different network. You can request port forwarding, will allow incoming connections to your mobile device. And you can allow LAN traffic, which you can plug all the way in as well. And then you got the privacy here, which is awesome. This PIA Mace, it says it will block ads, trackers, and malware while you're connected to the VPN. I'm going to turn that on because you are streaming even through your device. And you need to have that on because you are being attempted to be tracked. As I go back a little bit, if I go back to the general settings here, I already did that, but I'm going to go to dedicated IP. You can activate a dedicated IP address for your VPN. You can get more information and purchase your own dedicated IP from your client control panel on the website, which is awesome. The next thing is you can get a per app settings. This is where it gets really, really tight. So now, as I said in the video, you can choose what app gets VPN, which is awesome. So if I go down here, this doesn't need it, and the Bluetooth doesn't need it, and the browse here doesn't need it, and Disney Plus doesn't need it because I don't use it. Downloader doesn't need it. But the one I would use on this is all the way at the bottom here. And it's right here, the Yoka TV Online. So I'm going to press OK on that. Now I have opened that every time I go to Yoka, and even when I'm not, it will have the VPN on it. Okay, so you can choose which application on your box gets the VPN, which is awesome. That way, if you're using it for TV or movies or whatever, it just works really well. So let's go ahead and connect something really fast. And let's say I want to go to the location. You can choose optimal location, but I want to go, let's say, to Oklahoma. I'm going to press OK. It's going to say that it's connected. It's going to give me a different IP address. All right. So you can see that that is connected. It gave me an IP address. If I press this again, and I wanted, let's say I wanted to go to Switzerland. If I hold that down, it'll give you a favorite. So if I want to switch to Switzerland, all right, and boom, now I'm in Switzerland, and it's going to give me an IP address. So now you can see the quick connects at the bottom. It's very easy. And the best thing about it is it's $33 a year for unlimited devices. $33. And here's another good thing. Because I can refer a friend, I'm going to put this on the YouTube video and even in our support group that I'll put a link. You can click the link, download it, get 30 days for free. If you like it and pay for the 30 days, they will give me the 30 days back and add them to my account. So I think that refer a friend or anyone that's listening that's wondering, I'm going to make sure I put that link there. People always like free. Maybe you'll move past free and pay the $33 a year and pay for one after 30 days. And then that'll bless me and my family as well. So with that said, I just want to close out the video. Get yourself protected. Get a VPN. Don't believe the hype. It's easier than you realize, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. And with that, I'll close out this video. We'll see you in the next one, and let me know what you think in the comments. Have a good day.